everybody, welcome back to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. Now I've not been here for the last 2 weeks because it's been Christmas and it's been New Year's, and I took the time out on Christmas to celebrate our Savior's birth and to spend time with family. And I took New Year's Day off to celebrate my husband's birthday and be with family. So I'm back, and it's the first week of January, close enough, actually starting the second week. But anyway, I decided to clean the sunroom. Now the sunroom is usually where I keep all my plants in the summertime, but in the wintertime it doesn't get as much heat because it's baseboard heat and it's expensive. So I move all my plants into one of the spare bedrooms in the main part of the house because it's a little bit warmer for them, and it's sunny. Not as sunny as in here, but at least it's warmer for them. So while the plants are out of here, I am taking the time to wash down all the walls. I took the curtains down, took all the curtains down, washing the walls and cleaning the windows. Now, as you can tell, the windows are pretty doggone dirty, and I have this nifty little machine. Well, I don't know if it's a machine, whatever. But anyway, it helps me clean the windows on the second story without having to go outside. So we will set it up and I'll show you how it works. The first thing you have to do is open your window wide enough to get the stuff in. Take it and take your cleaner, spray it a little bit across the top, and then this machine is basically this. It's got it's got a string attached to it, and what you do is you put it on the outside. You take this one, attach it to the outside of the window. Take this one, it magnetics like it, and it moves with the window. You got the string to hold on to it in case it does come apart. And just wash back and forth. It cleans both sides of the windows at the same time. These are super dirty windows. To pull it apart, just take a rag at the bottom and wipe the excess clean, and you have a clean window without climbing out of the window to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other 8 windows up in here, 12 windows up here. Go ahead and finish those, and then I've got the curtains in the washer and the dryer. Going to dust everything that's on the wall, clean it off, clean all the knickknacks, declutter in here, and then wash the Afghans are in here and do the floor, and I'll be done with this room. Well, the first room is clean, decluttered and deep cleaned and ready for the winter or for the spring. Must admit, I kind of like it this way with all the flowers, but then come spring, this whole corner will be filled with the house plants again. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, follow your dreams, dream big, and follow them. See you in the next video. Bye, everybody.